Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to create live stickers from your photos. So if you want to create live stickers from your photos in iOS 17, so how are you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So if you want to create live stickers from your photos, you have to make sure that you have latest iOS 17 version. For this, what you have to do, you have to go to setting. After that, you have to go to general, and here you have to simply check for updates. So here you can simply check you have the latest iOS update, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply open your photos you want to add the live sticker from, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold that photo, and after that this kind of interface will appear in which add stickers options enable. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on add stickers, and after that this kind of stickers will be added to your stickers. As you can see, this stickers has been added. So in this way you can simply also add effects to your sticker, which means it can be comic and any kind of like that. So here you can simply create your stickers and convert it to any kind of effect. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.